Gotten some news about a protest that is going on right here in the national capital. We'll just cut straight across to Akash, try and find out what exactly is happening. Akash, over to you. I can see a lot of women behind you holding placards. What's this protest all about?
Right, so this protest is against Congress party and its manifesto, and the reason why these women are protesting. I'll try to talk to Shikha Rai, who is the spokesperson of BJP. मैम, मुझे आप बताइए क्यों प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है, क्यों जरूरत पड़ गई है इसकी?
देखिए, हमने तो कभी ऐसा पहले कभी देखा सुना नहीं था कि कोई पार्टी ये कहे कि हम सरकार में आएंगे तो हम एक्सरेज करेंगे, हम सर्वेस करेंगे और घर घर जाकर के लोगों की प्रॉपर्टीज, लोगों का पैसा, गहना, जेवर जो कुछ उनके पास है असेस करेंगे और उनकी समझ से जो उनको लगेगा कि किसी के पास ज्यादा है तो लेकर के बांट देंगे। ये लोकतंत्र है या डिक्टेटरशिप है? ये कौन से कानून की बात करते हैं? और हमें ऐसा घोषणा पत्र जिसमें ऐसी बातें कही गई हो उसे सिरे से नकारना चाहिए। इसीलिए आज दिल्ली की महिलाएं और खासकर भाजपा की महिला कार्यकर्ता सब एकत्रित यहाँ हुई है इसी बात को प्रोटेस्ट के रूप में कहने के लिए कि ऐसा घोषणा पत्र, ऐसी कांग्रेस पार्टी हमें स्वीकार नहीं।
मैम, मैं ये सवाल और लोगों से भी पूछ चुका हूँ, आपसे भी पूछ रहा हूँ। कांग्रेस पार्टी क्लैरिफिकेशन दे रही है। प्रियंका गांधी कल कहती है कि मंगलसूत्र की बात करते हैं तो मेरी तो माँ ने अपना मंगलसूत्र इस देश के लिए कुर्बान कर दिया।
मुझे लगता है मैं विद ऑल माई ह्यूमिलिटी में ये कहना चाहूंगी कि उनकी माँ ने कभी मंगलसूत्र पहना भी नहीं होगा, उनको तो एहसास भी नहीं होगा। वो जिस संस्कृति से आती है वो नहीं सोच सकती कि मंगलसूत्र किसी भी भारतीय हिंदू महिला के लिए क्या मायने रखता है। तो मैं नहीं समझती, ना राहुल जी ना प्रियंका जी इस बात के ऊपर कहने को जस्टिफाइड भी है।
सैम पित्रोदा का जो कमेंट है आज वो भी हेडलाइंस बना रहा है। 55% जो कहे कि कॉन्सेप्ट है कि प्रॉपर्टी जो है गवर्नमेंट होल्ड करेगी और 45% जो है वो इनहेरिटेड कहे कि बच्चों को ट्रांसफर होगी, उस कमेंट पे भी कुछ कहना चाहिए?
जी बिल्कुल, ये जो घोषणा पत्र बनाने के पीछे आपको मालूम है सैम पित्रोदा जी जो है उनके मेन सलाहकार और बनाने वाले हैं। शायद यही सोच समझ करके उन्होंने उसमें ये कांग्रेस से घोषणा करवाई है या कांग्रेस ने घोषणा की है कि जैसे अमेरिका में होता है किसी की। अरे भाई, कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं आप? किस सिस्टम की बात कर रहे हैं आप? में देश में एक संविधान है, देश के कानून है, देश का एक सोशल बिहेवियर है। क्या उस सबको ताक में रख करके आप अब अमेरिकन सिस्टम को यहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहोगे? कतई बर्दाश्त नहीं, कतई ये मुझे नहीं लगता कि देश का एक भी महिला, एक भी व्यक्ति उनकी इस बात को मानेगा और भरपूर रूप से मोदी जी का जो 400 पार का नारा है उसको सिरे लगाएगा।
Alright, I'll try to show you now the visuals. This is Mansingh Road, and we have been given to understand that these protesters will move towards Congress headquarters. There you see the placards and also women protesters in large number. We have been told that all the councillors, even the ex-councillors, have come here because they are somewhere against the manifesto that Congress has released. And also, if I can show you this, Congress की तुष्टीकरण की नीति के विरोध में प्रदर्शन. They are somewhere saying that they are against of the kind of appeasement politics that Congress is involved in, and this is the reason why they have called in this protest. And in fact, senior leaders of the BJP, including Delhi BJP President, General Secretary Tarun Chugh, and all the senior leaders are present here. And this is these are the visuals. In fact, that I'm showing you. This protest is going towards Congress headquarters. In some time from now, we have been given to understand that they'll march towards Congress headquarters, and they are saying that महिलाओं को मतदान के लिए जाना होगा और कांग्रेस को हराना होगा.
Right, Akash. It's just so interesting to see such a huge turnout of these women, given the fact how important women are going to be. It's such a crucial vote bank for all political parties, women voters of India, a force to be reckoned with. And it's interesting that all these women out there who have come out in such huge numbers are strongly opposing Rahul Gandhi's comments and over the redistribution of wealth.
I have seen leaders of Congress party giving out clarification as to, when they have written something like that in their manifesto, what it actually means. But then we have comments from the BJP and, in fact, Prime Minister himself, where he has mentioned that how Congress party is eyeing, towards the Mangal Sutra of, women of this country. And this is the reason why, in fact, they people have come. I'll try to talk to this lady. Ma'am, क्या नाम है आपका? कहाँ से आई हैं और क्या कुछ प्रदर्शन में बताइए।
मेरा नाम अंजू पांचाल है, मैं जिला नवीन शादरे से आई हूँ और मैं इसलिए आई हूँ कि आपने जैसे देखा कि राहुल बाबा, क्योंकि बाबा नहीं कहूंगी, बाबा तो फैंसी वर्ड होता है, बाबा जैसे वो कह रहा है कि मेरी माँ ने अपने देश के ऊपर अपने मंगलसूत्र कुर्बान कर दिया। सबसे पहले तो मैं उनकी बात का जवाब देना चाहूंगी कि जो भारतीय नारी होती है ना, अगर आज उसके मंगलसूत्र पे आती है वो उसे कुर्बान नहीं करती, सबसे पहले खुद कुर्बान होना पसंद करेगी। और रही बात, क्या राहुल गांधी के बाप यहाँ रखा गया था कि वो जो हमारा एक्सरा करेगा? अरे जब माँ बाप अपनी बेटी की शादी करते हैं ना, वो तिनका अरमानों का अपनी खुशियाँ कुर्बान करके एक एक पाई जोड़कर गहना बनवाते हैं। और सेम वही कंडीशन एक पति की होती है, वो ये देखते हैं कि उसकी बीवी खुश है तो मैं अपनी दिन रात मेहनत करके खून पसीने की कमाई से वो एक एक तिनका जोड़ कर एक एक पाई जोड़कर गहना बनवाता है। तो राहुल गांधी ने क्या कहा कि हम उसका एक्सरे कराएंगे, उसका बाप रख के गया था।
All right, so this is the kind of anger, in fact, in these protesters, because they are saying that Congress is against, what they have been following since years, and this is the reason why they are against the Congress party, and they are appealing, somewhere giving out an appeal that people should vote against Congress.
And it's also so interesting, Akash, Priyanka Gandhi's retort, her counter to the Prime Minister's Mangal Sutra remark, one would have thought was a strong one, but on the contrary, it's evoking some very strong sentiments and emotions from the women who have gathered there.
Right, in fact, it is again, about the rituals and the kind of practices that we here in India follow. And in fact, Shikha Rai, the lady who I was just talking to, she was mentioning that it is not about, who has sacrificed what, but when you are mentioning something in your manifesto, it means that, you have that sort of intention. And the problem is with the kind of intention that Congress has. In fact, the leaders present here, in fact, the president himself is saying that we have problem with what Congress thinks about and also what Congress is trying to do or what Congress intend to do. And this is the reason why they, want to appeal, that people should vote against Congress.
What's the plan? Where are these ladies going to be headed to next? What's going to be the next, move by all of these ladies who are gathered there?
Right, I'll come to that question, Avantika,
Sure,
but once again, I'll ask my camera person to show you some visuals first. This is Mansingh Road, and from here I'll try to show you the visuals. There you see these women protesters who have gathered here in large number. They're on truck. You are seeing the leaders, senior leaders. General Secretary Tarun Chugh, Viren Sachdeva, who is holding the mic and in fact, giving out his speech, and also these women protesters are from different districts of the national capital of Delhi, and they are somewhere against the kind of manifesto that Congress has released. They are against the kind of comments that leaders of the Congress party are involved in. In fact, the comment that Prime Minister made, they are protesting on those same lines where they are saying that Congress party is against the women. Congress party is trying, in fact, to somewhere deviate the issue where they are talking about the kind of surveys or everything related to what we have seen in the past few days. These are the visuals, and in some time from now we have been told that these people will be marching towards the Congress headquarters. Congress headquarters, I'll try to give you a sense. Congress headquarters is, just 300 meters away. We have this roundabout, just 100 meters, and then on the left side we have Akbar Road where we have the Congress headquarters. And in some time from now, these protesters will move towards Congress headquarters. We have, Delhi police security arrangements as well. Protesters in large number, but then security personnel as well. And, everyone is waiting that in some time from now, the president will conclude his speech and then they will move towards the Congress headquarters.
Akash, I can see